Hello everybody. Kostas Albanidis here, and I'm gonna show you to this short video uh, how we can create a moving 3D picture using the DesignBeast. Okay, I have already showcased some of the features, but I would like to show you this particular to this video. Okay, let's select 3D live motion photos over here, and then we're gonna select the 3D motion photos. I'm gonna show you even the other, but to this video, let's focus to this idea. You see, you can have any picture. For sure, you have noticed many other pictures to social media that some people use, and they have this kind of effect. So you can have any picture that it's yours, or you can select one of the stock photos you see here. I can select something from the stock photos, or I can upload one of my own images. Let's select this one that I created with Playground AI. With this lady. Let me see, we're gonna select this one, and as we have the lady here, you see you can select different kind of brushes and the brush size. So the only thing that you have to do now is to select one brush. Let's select this one, and we're gonna move around the lady. You don't have to make it in a perfect way, you know, to you just go around like that. We just need to create the effect that it's gonna make the background moving, and we can select another brush, and we can go a little bit up here. You know, it's gonna make a different effect, and it's gonna make it stronger, and we're gonna have a difference here, and we can select even another brush. Let's try one more. Okay, we got it over here, and we go up. It's okay, we don't have to make it perfect, and we just click proceed. You see, it's gonna be very fast. You're gonna see the picture here. I just played around and with some other over here, as you can see. Let me show you now. You see here, I can press refresh to see if my video is ready and rendered, because the picture is gonna become a video. And I just check here, create the video. I see the result. You see now how it's moving. You see. And if you want to create this this picture as a video and export it and download it, you have to say how it's gonna be the movement. You want to have the movement go around like that. You see, it's gonna be perfect like that, or you can have the movement to go like that, like zigzag. You see, it looks perfect even like that. So you just click from the beginning here, and you say that you want to go like that, and when you're ready, you just click play to see the movement. You see, it looks really interesting and very nice. When you're ready, you just click export, and you're gonna have the the picture animated and ready to use. I think it's really great, and it's really amazing and very fast to animate any image like that. But at the same time, you can just use the stock images that you can find from inside the stock library, as I showed you before. Okay, we can download it over here, and we are done. So I have a video that I can upload anywhere, that it's gonna play like that, as you saw before, and as you